Gee, Brenna, sounds like it's thunder and raining outside.
Yeah.
We better do some indoor activities this
Yeah.
time. Welcome to Halloween Decor to DIY for. Jason tripped her. Sorry. This video, I need to go up a little bit. I need to go up a little bit. I need to go up a little bit. I'm a little bit low. There we go. Jason farted. This video, we're gonna custom make our own candy bowls, right? So this is nothing you haven't seen before, just pouring acrylic paint. How many people have their own custom candy bowl? Candy not included. So we're just gonna use these little acrylic paint bottles. I think they're about 50 cents a piece. I get mine at garage sales for even cheaper. These I've diluted with about 30% water. I think it still might be too thick, so we're gonna try it and find out. And if it's too thick, then you know to dilute it more like 50%. So Brenda's gonna use these 4 colors, typical Halloween colors, and pour them on her glass bowl. We just got some glass bowls at Goodwill. That one still has a price tag on it.
Yeah.
Right? You just pour it on the outside, and on the inside it's just glass, nice and clean. So we're just going to pour it on the outside. She's going to pour her 4 colors in a cup, and then pour the cup over the top. And because I got it on the lid for one of my Halloween totes, we're going to keep my dust surface clean, and the paint will have something to drip into because it's kind of raised edge. On mine, I'm going to use this baby snot sucker that actually came with the paints from the garage sale. And in honor of this guy who wears a pinstripe suit, right, I'm just going to try to make some pinstripes, if you can see those, like I practice. I'll just pinstripe mine, and then after that dries, I'll spray paint it black, and then on the inside, you'll see white pinstripes and black. Theoretically. That's the idea. Okay. Any questions?
No.
Any questions? Okay, let's get to it. Alright, so you squirt your colors in there little by little. Squirt as much as you can in there. There you go. We should have got some paper towels. That's cool. We're good.
Maybe we should. Second amount of paint?
That's not much paint. If you can
Oh,
get more
yeah.
out of those.
Okay, yeah.
So there's only about this much in the cup. That's gonna be
At least halfway full?
a third of the way. Yeah, I think we like filled one before.
Yeah.
Because the paint goes on pretty thick. We're getting there. on kind of like icing. Really should have got paper towels.
It's on my foot. Kleenex.
Keep watching. I'll be right back.
There's Kleenex right there.
I'll get it. Oh, here's some right here. I did have some.
My foot's black. Look at my foot.
Yeah, okay. We practiced this beforehand. Couldn't tell, could you?
Okay. Do I have enough?
Well, you got what you got. Go for it.
Well, I'm done.
So just kind of pour it right over the top. Do about half of what you got because it's going to run off to one side or the other, and then
A little more done. That's it. Are you done?
I just got to wait for mine to dry.
Okay.
It was thin enough, so that's good.
It's not that much orange. Not much purple either. More than white and handle has orange.
It's a lot of purple.
Basically no orange, no white, purple,
Well,
gray,
you
black.
squirted it in there kind of hard. You squirted it in so much that it was mixing together. You just kind of want it to go in the cup.
Yeah.
You don't have to squirt it in the cup with as much force, I don't think. But it was definitely thin enough. So, like I said, that was probably
30%.
quarter, 30% water.
So maybe even a little less.
But she used almost the whole container of each one. So, I guess we'll wait for this to dry.
It should dry faster than mine.
While this is drying, you want to hear some more thunder? Cue thunder.
Nope. Cue thunder.
They're scary.
Oh, that makes air bubbles.
Let's see if we can get a better look. Mine looks like icing. And hers looks like mud.
Yay.
But it's the inside that we really care about.
That's true.
Doesn't matter how many layers you put on the outside, it's always whatever
could
layer
see
is on the
orange.
inside. We'll see.
I
Catch you in a
hope
minute.
it's orange.
Okay, so I just came outside and kind of rattle can mine real quick. Just use the Rust-Oleum black, and then you know, you can always clear it afterwards to help protect the finish. This is cheap enough that I can use it 1 year and throw it at the end of the year and make a new one next year and not worry about it. And you don't have to store too much stuff. Okay, Google, what's the temperature today?
Today in Apache Junction, expect a high of 111 and a low of 83. There is currently an excessive heat warning in effect.
Great, thanks for that great news. Okay, Uber tubers. So we got our candy dishes finished up. They're dried. It's been a day. What? No, you have your own mask. No, you have your own. It's right there. I can see it. You have your own. No, I'm wearing this one. Pardon the interruption. Anyway, so my candy dish, right? I think it came out great. If I had a couple of Jack Skellington stickers, or even vinyl stickers, or just cut out in vinyl Jack Skellington, whatever, and had put it on the outside and then done the stripes and whatnot, or I could even put the stickers on the inside, really. That would really let people know, but I think you kind of get it. So I really like mine. Brenna's, on the other hand, she didn't really, hers came out pretty murky. I patted the bottom and poured some leftover stuff on there because it was just, so hers, she could probably use some steel bowl or a scrubbing pad like that and some water and get it all off of there and re-pour it, but whatever, it was cheap enough. Alright, you get the idea. Go have fun.